Anything. Help. Manager, come here. What's the problem here? The cashier refused to give me my own order. Hank, how dare you talk smack to the customers and doing stuff bad? Hey, that is not true if I was being rude to the customers, so shut up, bitch! Actually, it is true because it is my workshop, not yours. Actually, you are now fired. Now get out.
Hank, how do you get fired so many times? That's it. You are grounded for life. So what's the deal?